Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So today I have an Upcrate unboxing, and this is Upcrate 31, which is March 2022. So Upcrate have kindly gifted me this box to make an unboxing of. So I think what we should do is just open it. Now I don't know what's inside, so let's have a look. Ooh, weird supplies inside. Lol. I'm gonna try and save this sticker if I can. There we go. So let's take these out. We have the bottle post, which we'll take a closer look at in a bit. We've got some stickers, a print. Ooh, look at that. It's a cool design. It's like doodle style, but different. So the co-captain is Julia Oliver, which is a painter based in Amsterdam. And then it looks like we have an art space sketchbook. Art space or space, I don't know what you call it. Ooh. We've also got a special 15% off, so you can follow those instructions on there to get 15% off. And then there's a HelloFresh voucher, which I don't think I'll be using. But anyway, let's have a look at the supplies. Let's open it. Ooh, look at these. So I'm going to get them out first. So we have a Da Vinci made in Germany Fit Synthetics Hobby Craft and Hobby brushes. Ooh, here it is inside. Let's take that out. I'm not sure if there's meant to be more than one brush, but we got one brush. And I presume these are the sizes that you can get them in. I'll read that afterwards. So we've got a paintbrush. Ooh, Van Gogh watercolors. Very nice. I've never tried Van Gogh before. Very nice. This is going to be a lot of fun. We have a brush pen, Ecline Brush Pen in black. Another colour, does it say on it? Pastel yellow. A turquoise blue. Is my camera focusing? Come on camera, you can do it. There we go. And we also have a yellow ochre. Oh my god, yes, I love these. We got one in a scroller box, which is a purple Micron. Love the colour purple. And we also have a graphite pencil, which we need to sharpen. That's not a problem. And we also have Brush X extinguishing solution. Never tried that before. So they're the supplies that are included. So I'm just going to go through the bottle post, then we'll swatch them. So let's have a closer look at the bottle post. Love these. It's nice to read through them. So they've got the supplies in. So we'll get some tips and tricks on how to use the supplies, how to use Brush X easy. Say that 10 times fast. A little bit about the brushes. I will read through this when I do the voiceover section. So these are the colours that you can get them in. That's quite a wide range. Then the Micron Pigma Micron 10 0.6mm Van Gogh watercolors. I'm very can't wait to open these and try them out. And obviously we'll be able to mix these to get different colours. We've got the Vinci flat brush, the pencil, the sketchbook. So the sketchbook is 10 sheets of 230 heavy watercolor paper. Then we talk a little bit about the co-captain. So this is the co-captain here. I already have an idea of what I want to do, but we will base it off the prompt, of course. And then we've got some tutorials, very nice, very nice, some techniques, some hacks. Right, so this is from the previous battle post. Is anybody I know in here? Ooh, Zoe's in here. You don't know who Zoe is, she's one of my arty friends. I'll leave a link to her channel in my description box. She also makes art videos. Very cool. And yeah, so the prompt is miraculous creatures. Yes, that's going to be a very good one. I cannot wait to get started. So I think what we'll do is we'll swatch the supplies and then we'll get to making something. Okay, so I've got the sketchbook here. I'm just going to open it. Now we'll put this to this side, the ceramic plate, put some water, and what we're going to do is swatch them out. So let's put this on manual focus, zoom in a little bit more, and what we'll do is we'll test the brush pens first. So this is what they look like. Will it focus? Come on camera, I believe in you. You can sort of see it. I don't know what's happening to my camera these days. It's being rebellious. Okay, so that's the brush pen. Can it be activated with water? A little bit. Not much though. Let's test this one. Love a good yellow ochre. Let's test the water again. It's picking up a little bit, but I don't think it's meant for water. But we can actually put it in here, I bet, and use it as watercolour. So let's try that. Yes, perfect. Yep, we can do that. That's why I love ceramic plates, I just think they're perfect. Nice little blue. Let's test that. Good stuff, let's mix them together. Ooh, creates like a turquoise colour. There we go. And then we have black. So I think we'll be able to get some grey in there. I'm just going to put it up here. Very good. I'll test the Micron. Hang about. It's not purple. It's black. I thought it was purple because the writing was purple, but it's not, it's black. Oh, that's brilliant, 'cause, we can do some bold lines with those. Let's test the pencil. Yep, just a bog standard pencil. And now we're going to try the Fungo Paints. So we have, what's this one? Indigo. Oh, trying to get a lid on. It's very tricky. We've got Indigo. they come out very fast, I can tell you that much. Turquoise and yellow ochre, so they're kind of similar to the brush pens. It's a very interesting combination. So let's have a look. Obviously got a darker colour. Ooh, look at that. Just gonna put some water down. Blend that. Coolio. This turquoise. I've never really tried watercolour out of the tubes before. I've always just had them in pans. This is really good. And then we'll test out yellow ochre. And then we'll try mixing some to see what colours we can get. So let's mix, I don't know, blue and green. Will that make a different colour? Might make a dark green, I'm not sure. Let's see if it's different. It's like a bluey green, but I think it's more turquoise. And then we'll try and mix these to see if we'll get a different colour. Ooh, that's like an olive green. Let's put olive green down. I'm gonna have to wash my palette and start again. There we go, so they're the different range of colours that we can get. This is going to be interesting because the idea I have is kind of like a doodle style. If you've not seen my doodle style, then check out my Instagram. You can see it on there. I'm going to try and go for that style. And then, yeah, but now these are drying, we're going to try this Brush X Extinguish solution. Don't contact with skin, removes non-permanent inks on paper. Okay. Okay. I feel like I need an adult's permission to open this, even though I am an adult. Oh god. Okay, we've broke the seal. So I'm gonna try it on that. Wow, did you see that? It completely got rid of it. That could be cool for like dot effects. And adding texture. It smells like bleach. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to open a window. That is really cool though. I do like that. I'll show a close-up in a minute. I'm sure it works the same on watercolor as well. In fact, it smells like chlorine as well. Okay, so they're the tests. I'm going to show you a close-up so you can see. I know you can already see it on the camera. But this is what this Extinguish solution does. Absolutely gets rid of the marker, which is brilliant. And does it flip onto the other side? Nope. Okay. So I think what I'm going to do is just let this dry and then we'll get started on me. Hey guys, it's VoiceOver M here. So what I'm going to do is read a little bit about the supplies in the box and tell you how much they cost, and then talk a little bit about my art process if we have time. So it says here, ahoy art crew. Wake your creativity from hibernation and sharpen your pencils. This March, you can expect an exciting combination of high quality art materials with your imagination. We wish you a nice and healthy month and lots of fun drawing, painting and dreaming. That's very nice. Let's go your supplies. So the first thing that was included, which I've never used before, is the Brush X Easy. And it says here, the Talon's Ecline Brush Pen is very user-friendly, handy when travelling. The brush pen is ready for immediate use and is odourless as well. Well, I disagree with that. It smelled a lot like bleach and chlorine. To me anyway. Leave a comment below if you've got this box and you think it doesn't smell. Its soft brush tip is suitable for both fine lines and expressing brush strokes, and its intense colours can be easily toned down with water, mixed or transformed into beautiful watercolour like gradients. And it retails for £6.50, €6.50. Nothing's in pounds in this book. And then it gives a little bit of techniques and what you can use. Next up in the kit was the Ecline Brush Pen, and they retail for €2.85 per pen, and we got 4, so times that number by 4. So the Talon's Ecline Brush Pen is very user friendly. They said that about the previous product. Handy when travelling, the brush pen is ready for immediate use. I feel like I'm repeating myself. Its soft brush tip, this is literally the exact same thing that was said about the previous product. They've just copied and pasted it. Well, I guess we're moving on to the next thing then. The next supply is the Pigma Micron, which retails for €3.60, and we got it in the size 10. So Pigma Microns are durable fine liners whose ink is water and alcohol marker resistant and does not bleed through the paper. Their fine tips are ideal for both technical and artistic drawings, making them faithful companions for designers, scientists, activists, manga artists, comic artists, illustrators and hobbyists. Very nice. I love a good Pigma Micron pen. Next up we have the Van Gogh quality watercolours. Now I've never used these before and I really enjoyed using them. They retail for €10 per tube, I'm guessing. So it's made in Holland. These watercolours belong to a student and artist quality range, so they are brilliant, transparent, intense and have a high colour strength. The pigments produce uniform colour mixtures in combination with water, and in most cases have the highest light fastness rating of 3. Is that 3? There's like 3 crosses, so I'm guessing that's 3. Which means that the colours are preserved for over 100 years under museum conditions. That's very nice to know. And it also provided a colour chart of all the colours that you could get. But in this set we got turquoise, indigo and yellow ochre. And I think that is a great mix of colours. I think they work very well together. And the next thing that was included was a Vinci brush, which I've never even used before, and I must say, very good quality brush. Retails for €2.95. So Da Vinci developed a new grey supple synthetic fibre framed in seamless aluminium ferrules and non-slip matte green handles. These paint brushes impress with their high quality painting behaviour, interesting appearance and attractive price. The assortment of this series offers you a choice of round, flat and wide brushes. Also a version with filbert shape is available. Now I did actually Google these brushes later on after filming the video, and they've got a very nice wide range. If you want to see that, just type in Da Vinci paint brushes and they should come up. And yeah, I really do think the green barrel is very nice. And next up we have the Upcrate pencil 2B. which is 50 euros, 0.50 euros that is. And yeah, it doesn't say anything about this pencil in English. It's just a 2B pencil. And last but not least, we have the Artspace watercolor booklet, and it says, and it retails for €3. This DIN A5 pad keeps 10 sheets of 230 heavyweight watercolor paper. Thanks to the ring binder binding, it opens completely flat when drawing. And that's all it has to say. Now, I think this paper worked brilliantly with the supplies, both markers and the watercolours, and the pen and the pencil. And yes, that is it for the supplies that were included. Now onto my art piece. I'm just going to get it here so I can look at it. The prompt was miraculous creatures, so I decided to just doodle some creatures, objects and things, you know, like the doodle style that I like to do. But first I started off with a wash of colour, like a gradient from the green, yellow and blue. Then I drew my doodles and then inked them with thick lines, and then I went in with the markers to add a little bit more shading. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how it turned out. And yeah, let me know in the comments below if you've got this box, if you like this Upcrate box. And a big thank you again to Upcrate for sending me this and sponsoring the video. And yeah, I'll leave a link to Upcrate's website, and I think I also have a discount code as well, so you can get money off your boxes. And yes, I just want to say thank you so much again for your support. We've just reached 9k, which is amazing, so thank you so much. And yeah, if you did enjoy this video, please leave a like, comment below what you think, share with your friends, subscribe for more, and I will see you next time with another video. Okay, bye bye.